11N can rev up your network, but on today's wireless architecture, it can be like a sports car parked in traffic. All those high bandwidth applications can cause massive traffic jams that drop connections and disrupt service. Not so with Motorola Wing5 WLAN solutions. We've rethought wireless, so you don't have to. Now your retail workforce can quickly handle Black Friday volume with solutions that directly route thousands of transactions around bottlenecks and authenticate more point-of-sale devices from a single AP. Teachers can simultaneously stream videos without interrupting or reducing the quality of service for thousands of other network users on campus. That's because we place the brain power of the network where you need it. Our smart APs know what application you require and the best route to take to avoid bottlenecks, jittery videos, or poor voice quality, and never sacrifice network security or mobility service. Such intelligence ensures your workers can still meet deadlines, even in WAN outages, thanks to our incredibly robust site survivability features. Your team can roam where needed and still experience fast, stable connections with our application-aware Smart RF that quickly adjusts the network's power and channels. And you can extend connectivity to remote sites, split usage between guests and staff, and customize a unique solution from our broad portfolio and flexible architecture options. What does this ingenuity mean to you? Less worry, less cost, less congestion. What does it offer? More trust, more intelligence, more performance. Motorola Wing5 WLAN solutions. Less required, more delivered.